So the best way to prevent overuse injuries is to look at the amount of activity that you're doing. And it's always a balance with overuse injuries, especially when you're competing at the highest level in the world. You have to train enough to get yourself in shape, get yourself prepared. But if you train too much, your body gets too much load, too much stress, and that's when you start worrying about overuse injuries. And the problem is every time you train, every time you work out, you're micro-injuring your body. You micro-fracture your bone, you micro-tear your tendon, your muscle, and it's that rest period that allows the body to heal, adapt, so that the next time you go out and practice or train again, your body's ready for it. The problem with overuse injuries is if you keep practicing, keep training, your body doesn't have that time it needs to recover. Eventually these micro injuries start getting more significant and developing into true overuse injuries. And so that's where listening to your body is very important.
Certain players in certain matches, you might want to save them for a bigger match if they have a shoulder overuse, for instance.
First of all, you're trying to find out where the injury came from. So if you can look at mechanics, certainly swimming is very much a technique sport. If you're doing it wrong, you can easily cause pain to your shoulders. And for runners, we look at muscle imbalances and gait abnormalities. Is there something that we can do in terms of strengthening an area so that it corrects anything that may be causing them to land in not great alignment or affecting their performance? So there are ways to kind of look for what the source of the problem might be. And then look for ways to target their training so that they're not stressing that area but still maybe getting a great high-intensity cardiovascular workout in another way.